Add vinegar to the garlic and you won't believe what will happen. Very few people know this secret. I will share a secret from India that when I found out I was surprised, and I don't think you've seen this technique anywhere else. You will go crazy when you know it. Do you want to learn it? Well, let's get started. I don't know if you're like me, but I love using garlic in the kitchen. It's one of the ingredients that I can't live without at home. If I don't have garlic to add to my food, I feel like the food is tasteless. Here at home, I peel garlic every time I cook. But that's in the past, because with this technique, I will have garlic available to cook for up to a year. If you're like me and you really like using garlic, you'll love this culinary secret. Take a good amount of garlic and put it in a medium-sized container. I have a small amount for demonstration purposes, but you can do this with all the garlic you want. Instead of peeling them one by one, I will add a liter of hot water so that the peels of all the garlic are loosened. I'll let it sit for an hour. As time goes by, you will notice that the peels will come out very easily. You don't need to make any effort. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can send you a greeting at the end of the videos. Now comes the most interesting part. Once you have all the peeled garlic, take a glass jar of a size proportional to the amount of garlic you have. Make sure the jar has a lid. I'll add 2 tablespoons of salt. Then I'll cover it with white vinegar until the jar is completely filled. You can also use apple cider vinegar. Now we cover. This technique we just did will preserve the garlic intact for a year. This will save you a lot of time when cooking, since you will have the garlic previously stored. You can store both in the fridge and at room temperature, since the garlic will retain its flavor. You can do this with any amount and save for later. I hope this technique has served you. If you know any other garlic technique, let me know below. I'm always reading your suggestions. Today's greeting is for Yesenia Rodriguez from Peru and for Alicia Roland from Paraguay. I say goodbye now, wishing you rich blessings.